Hello, welcome to another episode of Mark 2 Golf Stories, once again in the beautiful garden of my parents' house. Today we're going to be painting the inlet manifold. If you think it doesn't need painting, it's fine the way it is. Well, you're wrong. This is my car and I'm going to paint them. So without further ado, let's get started and I'll tell you what we've got planned. So what I'm thinking of for this is very similar to the last car. This, the inlet manifold is going to be black with red in the VW sign of the DOHC 16 valve. Again, black for the lower part of the intake, and I'm probably going to go for yellow on the rocker cover. So without further ado, I need to give these a clean before we start. So let's get cracking. Once again, we're going to be using our 3-in-1 heavy degreaser. There's not a lot in it, so I hope it does the job. So I'm just going to get this to spray down, and we'll leave it for a little bit of time and give them a brush. We just run out. Look, and I've got all the important parts done. Now, my dad's already given these a clean once, but I'm not sure if he degreased it because when I was picking them up, my hands was getting covered in loose dirt. So it's just getting all the final loose bits off. Should hopefully mean the paint sticks to it okay. Yeah.
Pretty clean, isn't it?
You want?
Pretty clean anyway, isn't it?
Yeah, but there's a touch in my hands were getting really filthy, so I'm just getting all the loose bits on it. Let's go with a second degreaser. Got some of this stuff. Oh yeah, that seems to do the job. Look at that. Nice and clean already. Time for a rinse. Okay, final clean. Let's put some white spirit. Okay. Okay, there we go. Everything's masked off. So let's move inside and get painting. So we're going to be using this E-Tech engine enamel. Pretty good stuff, used it before. So let's go.
paint?
E-Tech.
E-Tech. What is it?
Engine enamel. That.
Doesn't take off or anything.
No, engine enamel. Spray on enamel coating. Right, we'll leave that half an hour and then we'll come back and do some more.
Some time later.
That's right, I remember now.
What? Do you remember?
I told you what it was, and you said, I'll look it up, see what size bolts they are.
Okay, so we're going to wait for that to dry and then we'll come back and take off the tape, I think. Okay, it's been about another 20 minutes now, so I'm going to try and carefully peel off the masking tape on it. Let's start with up here. Oh, bollocks, there's a couple of bits there where masking tape's been folded over. Right. Okay, that looks better. Okay, that's okay. This is the main bit. Okay, hopefully we'll be painting this next time. Have a look at the next bit. Got paint on the thread. Didn't think about that. Not sure if that matters too much or not. Cool. Oh, these bits as well. There we go. It's looking okay. Take this fucking thing off it. Not leave that on for now. Cool, so there we go. So there we go, that's the inlet manifold painted. This will be going on the car. We'll rebuild the engine, so that's the next job to do. Like I said, probably going to paint this red, I think, and rocker cover yellow. So yeah, if you're looking to paint your inlet manifold or the engine parts, maybe find this useful. If you have, consider dropping a like. Also, there's a lot of people watching videos who haven't subscribed, so I don't know if you're returning and you've not subscribed. If that's the case, maybe click on subscribe. Also, sometimes YouTube will unsubscribe you. So yeah, click on subscribe if you find this interesting and you want to see more stuff. Thanks a lot. See you in another video again soon. Bye bye.